This is a true story, but except for my own, I've changed all the names, obscure identities for reasons that'll become clear. I'm Molly Bloom.
올림픽 스키 유망주 몰리 블룸. 그녀는 올림픽을 앞두고 중요한 시합을 준비 중입니다. 몰리는 어릴 때부터 엄격한 코치인 아빠에게 혹독한 훈련을 받아왔는데요.
10 minutes later, I was in the back of an ambulance called rapid onset scoliosis.
그녀는 결국 급성 척추 측만증 진단까지 받게 되죠. 다행히 수술은 성공적으로 마쳤지만 더 이상 스키는 탈 수가 없었는데
I was on skis again in a year, and by my 20th birthday, I made the U.S. ski team.
그녀의 피나는 노력과 아빠의 완고함으로 드디어 국가대표의 꿈을 눈앞에 두고 있었습니다.
Stick the landing.
결전의 시합이 시작되고
It happened because I hit a pine bough that had become frozen in the snow. I didn't have time to calculate the odds of that happening.
그렇게 불운한 사고로 그녀의 꿈은 모두 물거품이 되고 맙니다. 그로부터 12년이 지난 후 잠을 자던 그녀는 뜻밖의 전화 한 통을 받게 됩니다.
You're under arrest for running an illegal gambling operation. Do you understand?
과연 그녀에게 무슨 일들이 있었던 걸까요?
Every year on our birthdays, my father would interview my younger brothers and me. I don't have any heroes. I would appear to be irrationally angry at nothing in particular. It would be another 22 years before I'd find out why. After my colossal wipeout at Deer Valley, I decided to take a year off before law school.
시간은 다시 돌아가 은퇴 직후 LA 친구 집에 도착한 몰리.
I wanted to be young for a while in warm weather.
몰리는 로스쿨 입학을 미뤘다는 이유로 아빠의 지원이 모두 끊기게 됐고 그녀는 온전히 스스로를 책임져야 했죠. 그렇게 살기 위해 시작한 클럽 웨이트리스 아르바이트. 그러다 손님으로 드나들던 딘에게 스카우트 제의를 받고 그의 회사에서 비서 일을 하게 되죠. 처음엔 꽤나 호의적인 그였지만
I remember the day started by being about bagels.
딘은 찌질함의 표본을 보이는 인물이었죠.
Do you mean now?
Are these from Bluebell?
Yeah, it's on the way from my house.
Seriously? I do not eat bagels. Our poor people bagels.
Honestly, making an effort.
My weekly poker game is moving to the Cobra Lounge.
별 볼 일 없고 성격도 괴팍하지만 인맥만큼은 절대 무시할 수 없는 딘. 그는 엄청난 인사들을 상대로 포커 모임을 운영하고 있었는데 그곳엔 재벌부터 운동선수, 연예인 등 어마어마한 부유층 인사들이 있었습니다.
$10,000 in cash.
Ugly dress, ugly shoes. Let's play!
I was in a room with movie stars and business titans. That's when Dean shouted out.
Hey, tip Molly if you want to get invited back next week.
로스쿨 진학을 예정해두고 있던 그녀였기에 이런 일을 하는 것에 대한 예감이 좋지 않았지만
But that was deep down. I just made $3,000.
팁으로 꽤나 큰 돈을 만지게 된 그녀. 그리고 다시 시간은 현재. 검찰 출신 변호사 찰리를 찾아온 몰리.
My father signed it. You're Molly Bloom, right?
This is my daughter Stella.
We met.
일단 보석으로 풀려났지만 그녀의 모든 재산은 압류당했고 현재 구속 심리를 앞두고 있는 상황.
3 of them had already been taken.
Yeah, 31 people were named in your indictment.
Do you know about me?
Tonight, and I bought your book.
사실 그녀가 체포된 건 러시아 마피아와의 연관과 함께 자신의 회고록 몰리스 게임에 나오는 범죄 내용들 때문이었는데요.
Are you taking me on as a client?
Yeah. Do you have $250,000?
We'll find a way to pay you, Charlie.
하지만 책에 나오는 인물들은 모두 가명으로 실제로 몰리는 끝까지 도박과 관련된 사람들의 신분을 밝히지 않았죠.
I'm not telling you his real name. He's not involved in this.
I'm not your guy, Molly. This isn't for me.
I didn't know who the Russians were.
You need a publicist.
No, I need a fucking lawyer.
I'm going to walk you through the arraignment this morning because you shouldn't do that alone.
계속되는 그녀의 요청에 오늘 있을 구속 심사에 함께하기로 합니다.
After 6 weeks of tips, I asked for a dress that made me look nothing like myself.
때는 다시 과거로 돌아가 LA의 코브라 라운지. 그녀는 이곳에서 자신의 입지를 다지기 위해 이 남자 플레이어 X와 가까이 지내기 시작했고
I'm all in. Where on my mother's life I have you?
Player X was the best player at the table, and tonight, this guy was the worst.
Fold. Fuck you.
No!
A fish is a particular kind of player.
그를 위해 PC들을 붙여주었죠.
My job security was going to depend on bringing him his fish.
Is this true? These guys play?
돈은 많은데 포커는 더럽게 못 치는 호구를 PC라 칭했는데요.
Third chair at table 8 can't lose. You know how the game at the Cobra Lounge, right? 1,000 for every player you send me. Piece of what they lose. I'm Molly.
그녀는 발품을 팔아 그런 PC들을 끌어모으기 시작했고 금융, 기술, 연예계, 정치, 각계의 거물들이 모여 포커판은 더더욱 커지게 되는데요. 포커판이 커져갈수록 그녀가 벌어가는 수익도 점점 커져만 갔고 그렇게 몰리도 호화로운 생활을 즐기게 됩니다.
Law school could wait one more year.
다시 현재로 돌아와 함께 법원에 온 몰리와 찰리.
You've got a good judge. He's a good guy. Search him. Next time you appear in front of the judge, you might want to rethink your clothes. You look like the Cinemax version of yourself.
I think I already mentioned that. I sold my clothes when the government seized all of my money 2 years ago, which incidentally was the last time I ran a game.
사실 엄청난 액수의 미수금이 남아있음에도 그 고객들을 생각해 차용증을 팔지 못했던 몰리.
Molly Bloom.
Good morning, Your Honor. Charles Jaffe. Are you with us this morning?
결국 찰리는 그런 몰리를 보고 마음을 돌리죠.
You said you got 10 times that much on the street. In my office when I said, didn't anyone try to buy you that?
I couldn't be sure how they were going to collect.
I was afraid you were going to say that. Counsel. Yes, Your Honor. I am Molly Bloom's attorney. Pleads not guilty. I'll have to keep reading your book.
때는 다시 과거로 돌아가 코브라 라운지. 몰리는 3년이란 시간 동안 고객 관리부터 라운지 관리, 장부 정리 등 이쪽 일의 모든 것을 전담했는데요. 그런 그녀에게 불만이 많았던 딘.
I want to talk to you a minute.
Okay.
In the hall. I'm going to stop paying you. You get paid once a week from the game. It doesn't seem fair.
Because I'm making too much money doing my second job?
You're making thousands in tips every week. You can refuse the pay cut, but you lose the game.
I wasn't going to wait for Dean to take the game away from me.
결국 분위기가 쎄함을 감지한 몰리는 직접 호텔을 빌려 자신의 하우스를 만들기 시작합니다.
In preparation for the phone call I knew was coming. Hello?
역시나 예상했던 대로 딘의 해고 통보를 받게 되고 몰리는 딘의 고객들에게 자신의 호텔 하우스 초대장을 보냈죠.
Fellas, can I have your attention for a moment?
Where's Dean?
I'll be hosting a game in this suite every Tuesday night. If you play tonight, you'll be guaranteed a chair for a year. If you'd prefer to play at the Cobra Lounge, there'll be no hard feelings.
그렇게 그녀는 딘의 코브라 라운지를 떠나
Let's play.
The game was mine now.
자신만의 하우스를 성공적으로 열게 되죠.
You taking a rake?
No.
Then you're not breaking the law.
거기다 그녀는 수수료를 받지 않고 오로지 팁만 받았으며 마약이나 매춘까지 금지해 합법적으로 안전하게 운영을 해나갔습니다.
These guys could buy anything. You couldn't buy me. You couldn't buy the girls. Can I see you for a second? You are an international rock star.
Oh, I wasn't sure you'd notice.
You can't send emails like that.
자신에게 치근덕거리는 사람들에게 철벽을 치는 건 일도 아니고요.
Find new players.
He meant find new fish.
X를 위해 더 많은 PC들을 물어다 주기도 합니다.
The next recruit, who everyone called Bad Brad.
그 중에서도 호구 중에 최고 호구였던 브래드.
I'm all in. Can I get another 50?
Brad, this game might not be for you.
I like playing with the guys. I don't have that many friends. Don't take my seat away.
그와는 다르게 매번 침착한 플레이로 늘 돈을 따가던 할런.
He played tight and always got his money in good, but everything came off the rails with one hand.
어느 날 호구 브래드와 경기를 한 뒤 한순간에 인생이 뒤바뀌게 됩니다.
Bad Brad, bluffed off the win by, of all people. How? Because Harlan had never played with Brad before. Brad's got nothing. Brad's gonna call it not raise. Brad pushes $72,000 into the pot.
I'm all in.
Harlan knows about carotid artery pumping. Harlan didn't know that Brad didn't know what any of that meant.
I'm laying this down.
And one of them flips over and Harlan sees.
You got 2 pair?
I had one pair.
It wasn't even that it was that much money, but a circuit breaker blew, and Harlan was out for blood now.
Give me another 100, please.
By 5 a.m., Harlan was down $500,000.
Hey, bud.
Molly, Please, let's go.
밤새도록 이어진 그의 승부욕은 점점 이성의 끈을 놓기 시작했고
You're on tilt. Everybody knows it.
Just give me 500,000. I just gotta get back to it.
결국 도박꾼들의 단골 멘트를 날린 그의 최후는 역시 예상과 다르지 않았습니다.
Motherfucker! You're bottom dealing party magician!
Hey! And you're gonna go home. I'm making a floor call, that's it.
I don't have it.
돈이 없어 판돈을 내지 못하게 되자 몰리는 일단 넘어가 주기로 하죠.
Go home. Figure out what to do about the money.
그녀가 이런 식으로 고객들의 사정을 봐주다 보니 받지 못한 미수금이 점차 쌓이게 된 것이었습니다.
Showed up the next week with a bank check for $1,200,000. Where'd he get the money from?
I loaned it to him.
Loaned it. You're getting 50% of the wins and no exposure on the loss.
그는 할런에게 돈을 빌려주며 거의 사채업자에 가까운 이자와 수수료를 받아먹었고
I'm saying it can't fucking happen again.
몰리가 그의 행동을 지적하자 엑스 또한 그간 몰리에게 가졌던 불만을 늘어놓기 시작했죠.
You disapprove of me. What are you taking home? 10,000 a night now?
That is my business.
The dealers and the servers, you're taking a lot of money out of this game.
Again, my money.
Your money is my money.
그렇게 둘의 관계는 끝나버리게 됩니다.
Right there, right then, I lost the game.
결국 엑스가 멤버들을 데리고 하우스를 떠나면서
We're so fucked.
몰리의 LA 하우스는 순식간에 망해버리고 맙니다.
Games lasting all night.
There were drugs. I'm 2 years clean.
She left the drugs out of the book. What's an advance on a book like this?
It depends.
돈이 필요했던 몰리에겐 이 모든 상황에서 벗어날 수 있는 방법이 있었는데요.
You have to use real names. You have one asset.
그곳에서 함께한 멤버들의 실명을 공개해 책을 출간하자는 출판사의 제안이었죠.
Write your story and I can get you $1.5 million and that's the floor. So what do the publishers get from you about people with real names?
하지만 그녀는 그 모든 것들을 거절하고 자신의 신뢰를 지켜내고 있었습니다.
It had to end sometime. I just thought it would be on my time. And in one irrational heartbeat, it was taken away. It'd been 2 weeks since I lost the game, and forgotten overnight. When I lost the LA game, I told myself it was no big deal.
LA 하우스가 망한 뒤 그녀는 다시 심기일전하여 뉴욕으로 향했고
Biggest game in New York is in Brooklyn. Russian Jews.
그곳에서 새 멤버들을 모아 다시 최고의 하우스를 여는데 성공합니다.
I reported an income of $4,773,000, square inch of it legal and on the books. And I still hadn't accidentally recruited members of a Russian crime syndicate. I was the biggest game runner in the world.
그녀는 24시간이 부족할 만큼 바빠졌는데요.
I'd been working with a new dealer named B. Tone it down. The big players don't like fast hands.
You've got hundreds of thousands on the street. You've been stiffed 4 or 5 times.
하지만 판이 커진 만큼 엄청나게 불어난 미수금이 그녀는 도저히 감당이 되질 않았죠.
Your stack's bigger.
I can explain.
There we are. You don't think I've got eyes on the table?
I owe people money.
I know. People just don't realize trust fund kids are suffering in this economy too. So when Tuesday night came, B was at it again.
You're gonna get blown up. You're guaranteeing the game. Most runners cap it at 5%. 300,000 to you, sir.
Call.
200.
2.6 million.
판돈은 점점 커져만 갔고 그로 인해 그녀가 지불해야 할 돈도 천문학적으로 늘어났는데
She was right. I was extending credit. If I couldn't pay one time, that'd be the end of the game. Quickly, I made the decision. I just taken a rake in violation of U.S. Criminal Code 1955.
결국 수수료를 받기 시작하면서 더 이상 그녀의 하우스는 합법이 아니게 됩니다. 이후에도 그녀는 돈 많은 PC들을 더 낚아채워야 했는데 멤버 중 이 남자 더글라스로부터 돈 많은 러시아인들을 소개받게 됩니다.
The Russians have deep pockets, bad at poker, and wear coat and tie.
That's all true. Tonight, I was not able to put my hands on cash today, so I'm hoping you'll accept this as temporary collateral.
You came over here carrying a Monet.
그들은 누가 봐도 진짜 돈 많은 호구, 마피아라고는 절대 보이지 않는 인물들이었는데요.
Wasn't there any way to tell that some of the players at your game are connected to one of the darkest, deadliest, and far-reaching organized crime syndicates in the world? There wasn't.
이 생활에 지쳐가던 몰리는
1 week of games to get the 2.8 million I was owed. I was done. 1 week of epic games.
미수금을 회수한 뒤 이 생활을 청산하기로 하는데
5 blocks away, the FBI had raided my game.
갑작스러운 FBI의 등장으로 그녀는 그렇게 체포가 되어버리고 만 것이었는데요.
I'll also add that in my limited experience with the Russian mob, present themselves as mobsters.
계속해서 몰리와 마피아 조직을 엮으려는 검찰들.
I don't believe you.
보다 못한 찰리는 그녀를 대변해 진실된 하소연을 하기 시작했죠.
Are you out of your mind? Does not belong in a mob. And she raped a game. That's it. 2 years ago. And why? Because she was giving credit in the millions. Didn't want to use muscle to collect. To greatly benefit herself by just telling the real stories that she knows. Movie stars, rock stars, athletes. She could have written a bestseller and been set for life. She's got to win a lottery ticket and she won't cash it. I've been in those strategy meetings. You broke her back so she couldn't possibly freedom by providing color, and she still won't do it.
이 모든 최악의 상황을 감내해가며 꿋꿋이 그것을 지키려는 몰리가 찰리는 답답하기만 했습니다.
I want to thank you for what you said tonight.
Stella, who asked me to be your lawyer? You're her role model. There's a new offer on the table.
What is it?
We hand over the hard drives.
한편 검사는 고객들의 정보를 대가로 압류된 재산과 함께 완전한 사면을 제안했지만 끝까지 자신의 신념을 지키는 몰리.
Is that why they took it in the first place? So they could offer it back to me?
Worth, if we went to trial, you would have to hand over the...
Families, wives lie, read their father's text messages saying he wished he'd never had kids. These guys...
These guys, where are they? You're in this alone. Where are your friends? You kept their secrets by going to jail. Where did everybody go?
It's not their names. I'm protecting Charlie. It's mine.
Oh, you understand nobody gives a shit about your good name.
I do. And I'll never have another. Because it's my name. I'd watch the tables for a while.
몰리는 참가자들의 사생활이 담긴 하드디스크가 공개되면 수많은 가정이 깨질 수도 있다는 것도 이유였지만 가장 중요한 건 신뢰를 팔아먹지 않고 그녀 스스로가 자신의 이름을 끝까지 지켰다는 것이었죠.
Plead guilty.
And you're very sure?
The business of the court began. Molly Dubin Bloom.
그렇게 재판이 시작되고
Before he'd permit me.
몰리는 자신의 혐의를 인정하는데요.
How do you plead to the charge?
Guilty, Your Honor.
하지만 판사는 놀랍게도 보호관찰과 벌금형 정도의 굉장히 관대한 판결을 내렸죠.
And that was that.
그렇게 포커 공주의 숨막히는 인생을 정리하고 앞으로 남은 삶을 고민하는 모습으로 영화는 끝이 납니다.
What do I do now?
끝까지 시청해주셔서 감사합니다.